LeetCode number 28. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video we're going to go over one of the things we did in a live stream yesterday, I think. Today was just kind of all over the place. So alright, so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So the reason why I like this one right here is because it is called Needle in a Haystack, but it is a pretty good question. And it's a string question, but it's also, if you think about it, it's a static sliding window problem. So all right, so the way that I went about doing this is, so you were given your haystack and then your needle. So your string and a substring to check for the first occurrence / presence. So if it is not present, you get a -1. If it is present, you basically find the first occurrence. So if you think about that, so when you find it, stop, what location are you, what index location are you, and output that. So you basically aren't going to go all the way to the end, so you can kind of speed this up. So what goes through my head is when I hear that, okay, so when I find it, I'm going to stop. So I'm going to return there. So whatever that value is there, stop. So since we're looking for index, so I go, all right, I need to be using the range function and the index of that character of what I'm checking. So that's what I'm doing here. I take the len of my string called haystack, run it through range, and every time I'm iterating through this range object, that is the beginning index of the possible substring. I'm iterating through here. So now I'm needing to check a slice of the substring, which happens to be the length of our substring needle corresponding. And I'm just doing that right here. So if we look, len of needle, so here and here. Now, my slice needs to be, of course, I'm starting at wherever my index is, and then moving over the length of my substring. So that's what I'm doing right here, is that's my slice. And when you do this a few times, it makes sense, but when you're first reading this makes no sense. So practice hard coding this and getting the different outputs of what you're expecting. Now, as I'm doing this slice right here, I'm constantly checking each iteration if this slice of this string, so this substring, meets this possible substring equivalency test, then I stop and I return the index at which we are at that moment. And then if it goes all the way to the end and I get no hits here, then that means it is -1, and that means that substring is not present at all. So this is just a real quick, great beginner problem right here to really wrap your head around iteration, slicing, handling a string, dealing with substrings, dealing with a static kind of sliding window where you're just moving down and you're looking and you're looking and you're looking and go, ha, here's the exact same thing, stop. I know what index I'm located, and then I output that. So there we go. Real quick video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe button, notification bell. Jumping down to the Discord server down below so you're not missing out on any support that you need and deserve. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.